Here it comes. Oh. Come on, H. Get the beast out.
Long vehicle.
Long vehicle reversing. Awesome. Oh, bloody hell. Come on. Keep going.
What's this shed? Well, this is been brought in by a customer house called Rob Taylor. Good customer. He's got a couple of chops. He's got a bit of plastic shit on here. And that's,
Plastic.
shit. It's a plastic shit. Yeah. Bring the old number plate back here because he's forever taking half of his muscle out on his leg. Get these dreadful switches down here. So we've got some switches up at the handlebars. And then we're going to get rid of this because this bait is off a push bike.
What?
She's getting wrecked, man.
Wrecked.
Wrecked.
Not very good anyway.
Ooh, you've wrecked it.
Building seats, baby. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah, right old man.
Look at that. That's disgusting, man. Expanding foam in your bike.
Yeah. Well, you do.
That's how you build a bike nowadays. Kick its ass.
Chopper's making progress. Come on then, dude. Take us through it.
Freshly powder coated frame. New handlebars. Similar to what he had, but into the quarter up here. That's his original front end, all serviced up, cleaned up. All
Beauty.
sorted. That's 20-inch over, that is.
Jesus.
Yeah, far too fucking long.
It's massive.
Yeah, so we just.
What's the turning circle like on that?
British.
Jeez.
Yeah, so we're just cleaning some stuff up to start putting it together there at the minute. Sorted his motor out.
Boom.
Because that was on the brink of dropping the intake valves.
Lovely.
So good job I found that. We got we'll have a new speedo going on, but we'll have to suss out a bracket for it yet. But probably got there.
Let's zoom round.
Something like that.
It's just so you know what gear you're in. Oh, is that?
Well, it's
Oh,
better,
yeah.
better than the push bike crap they had on there before.
Oh, it's the push bike. That was bad. A bit polished up, isn't it?
Yeah, but you know, now we're sort of starting on it. It shouldn't take too long to get it together. Yeah.
Nice. It's just so many choppers. Just too many choppers, man. No. That one doesn't seem as long as the other one, though.
No,
it might be alright, though.
that's, I think that's 8-inch over now.
8
I think
inch.
it was maybe 10 before, but we shortened it up a bit. Another 5 degrees rake offset in the yokes, so
Yeah.
we've done away with that now. So shortened it up a little bit, which is going to make it a little bit higher as well.
Might be able to turn it.
Yeah, it'll definitely make it handle better.
You're on camera, H. Wave.
Good afternoon. Hello. I haven't even unbolted it from a fucking stand.
Come on,
yet.
you slag.
We got a slacker here.
Yeah.
Mr. Bolts hasn't unbolted the engine from the stand.
Oh.
So now we're ready.
Oh, yeah.
But we're just going to pop in the engine, which is just Andrew's just gone through and rebuilt. Had a few problems with it, knocking and bangings and silly things like that. And, yeah. Right.
Bring it in.
You're
You're not going to come and fucking give me hammer.
No. Everyone's got to grab at this side.
A
A lot of idiots here. A lot of idiots. I'll shout hot pasties as it goes in.
Hot bastards.
She's in. She's in.
She's in.
Yeah.
It's good.
Needs a bump start.
Right, we're all done for Rich.
Oh, somebody getting away with camera.
Yeah.
I think you might have said that out loud without realising it.
Just too much chrome.
But it's okay.
It needs a lot of polishing when you start looking around here.
I can take it. But to be honest, if you're starting going over polishing, it's not.
Yeah.
It's getting beyond it, isn't it?
It's very unnerving that Richard's being honest with me, actually.
Yeah, get it polished then. Come on.
What? Crankaroonie.
Stuart! Your bike's shit! Fucking sexy. Tune the donkey. They're getting there.
In bin. In bin.
What's up with it?
Battery keeps going flat.
Oh, right. just rev the shit out of it then.
Yeah, I needed a bit of tweaking on the injection there. It's a little bit rich.
Smells of beer. Check it! Come on, H, what's happening here?
Well, we just fitted the tank just to finish the job off, really. We've got a couple more bits to finish off. Did the tank during the week. Just got it all lacquered up. Andrew and I just got it all fitted on. Not a lot left to do now, more the valet. Sort out the hand change here.
Say, look at
Nice.
this bad boy.
Yeah, look at this hand change.
Change here, look.
So we've got to get it all connected up,
Look at
yeah.
that.
But it is nice. Goes well with a nice brass bit and in the Harley and everything like that. But it's looking nice. Yeah, looking nice. We'll be on the floor tomorrow.
What, falling over?
Hopefully not, no. Yeah, hopefully not.
It's got some serious rake on that bad boy. Mm. What's Andrew doing? Andrew, what are you doing? What? That's going to look pretty damn sexy.
Well, this is what the customer has given me, and he wants that sort of design done.
yes.
So,
Yeah.
well, that's
Getting
what
there.
we're looking at. But,
I thought you needed a few cans in you to get this right.
Well, this is why I'm waiting to this time of day.
When beer comes out.
Yeah. That ain't very good, actually. You can tell I haven't had a beer. Yeah, I might take that bit off again, actually. That looks like I've been drinking beer, but if I've been drinking beer, it would come out proper.
Yes.
But yeah, that's what he wants,
That's going to look pretty nice.
but obviously not in those colours.
Oh.
Obviously, we've got a blue background, so it's got to be in blue and with some green. Sounds crazy, but it'll look good.
Shit's crazy around
Oh,
here.
this shit's crazy.
Shifter on. Come on, give it a whirl. Yeah, brilliant. Oh, what a beaut. It's proper bling, that. Here's look.
Peter Fonda.
Peter Fonda, Captain Cornwall.
Peter Fonda.
That's looking pretty dirty. Come on then, fire the bitch up. Awesome.
Yeah.
Give it a good scrub.
Yeah. I'm just flattening the edge down here a bit so I can mask over it to do a coach line.
Oosh.
There's a little bit of an edge there where I've put the colour on and the lacquer. So we're just, that's the job here at the minute.
Here we go. Rear mudguard or rear fender is on. looking rather tasty, Doodle.
Well,
Rather
it's
tasty.
waiting to finish to fit the rear light.
Beauty.
So that'll look quite nice.
Yeah. I like this little. Just pull that out of the way. That's a little lip that you put on.
Yeah.
Beauty, that is.
Last time I seen a lip like that was I had a bobby lip in the bar. The front mud guard's on, not
Yeah.
fully bolted on yet.
Beautiful.
But looking nice.
That looks awesome.
Tank's ready to go on. Good afternoon.
One tank.
One tank.
One tank.
One sheet. One sheet, yeah.
Get it on.
Look at that.
What a beaut.
Is that looking nice?
Yeah.
I even used in the thread stuff. It's got to be blue as well instead of red.
Oh my god.
Hello, by the way. That was a skull monkey.
Skull monkey.
Will you just fuck off for a minute? No,
Get it on.
No,
Operating.
no,
Come on.
because it's
Come on.
pissed.
Look,
at
look,
the
look,
minute.
look. Operate. Operate, man. Operate.
Oh,
It's the crucial bit.
just a weasel.
Hit the brake. Oh! Yeah. Awesome. Opening the big brown doors. I'm going to reveal this huge chopper.
Which is mingling in the back there.
Get off me chopper. Yeah, get that one shifted. That's one out. Come on, get it out. Come on. Get it
I'll
out.
tell you what to get it out is get the engine in.
Get it out. Whoa!
Somebody thieved it.
No! Come on, one more. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell. Here it comes. Oh. Come on, H. Get the beast out.
Long vehicle.
Long vehicle reversing. Awesome. Oh, bloody hell. Come on. Keep going, keep going.
Is the front wheel out of the workshop yet?
Yeah, it's just come out. Oh, amazing. How long's that front end? That's serious.
20 inches over.
Bloody hell. That is a monster.
That is one bad boy.
From what it looked like when it came in,
Yeah.
and the expanding foam, whoosh.
Now, if we all remember,
The original. The
that was
original.
the mud guard that was in it.
Shit.
That's not good, is it?
That's shit. That's a beaut.
Get a glimpse on the rear light there.
Yeah. Come on, let's prime this bitch. First time, come on. Yeah. Get some rest. Oh, now then. That's a beaut.
Backlight.
Yeah, we got that on.
Yeah. Brake light.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah, nice.
Very good. That's a completely different bike.
Yeah.
Completely different. It's fantastic.